Hi, this is Lily and welcome to my page. You know, it's always an honor and a privilege to have you join me. So I'm thankful and I'm grateful. I have been recording on my other videos and I have said do something different every day. So I did say I started to paint and sketch. So now I'm going on to playing a ukulele. Well, I taught myself how to play ukulele. And now I'm going to sing a song, which is an easy song. But I did record a Niuean song earlier, and that song was about ukulele is a waterfall in our language, because I come from the island of Niue, and I love our Niuean songs. And you know what's so good about them is that they can only play, the three tunes, the three keys, and so they're very simple songs to sing. So that's why I sang that one. And this one I'm going to sing now is You Are My Sunshine. And that's another easy song, so I hope that we can all join in and play that song. And, Okay, so here we go. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I thought I held you in my arms. But when I walked in, I was mistaken. So I held my head and cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I thought I held you in my arms. But when I walked in, I was mistaken. Then I moved my head and cried. So I held my head and cried. Hey, that was not perfect, but it was a good try. So I'm going to publish this video, and I think, just playing something, you can't always be perfect, but you can improve it on your next time. So I just want to show that I'm going to improve on my next video. So I'll publish this one, and I hope to catch you again on my next video, and we can join in again. If you find another song, do play it, and do connect up with me, leave a comment on this video, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Do subscribe to my page, and also there's a link below this video if you would like to click on it